Hey guys, we are at Hilton Kota Kinabalu and our room just got upgraded to the King Executive Suite, and the only way to describe this place is that it's really big, so let's check it out. As soon as you enter, let's not look at that first. We have a table on the left, handy for you to keep your keys, phone and such things. Opposite of that is the guest toilet. I think you guys know where this is going when there is a guest toilet inside your hotel room. Moving in, we have the dining table with a chandelier. There's also a slight panoramic view here of the city. As you can see, it just rained, so there's not much of a view. It's also nighttime, so sorry if it's looking a little bit dark. We've got some paintings. And this big box right here is where you make your drinks. Also a really big mirror there, there, and there. You have your minibar at the bottom. All your mugs that you could need is here. And coffee is made using a machine. Here are the capsules. Right, let's go further in. I honestly feel like I can get lost in this hotel room. This is the living room. Big sofa, big TV, a nice study table where I can edit videos. Let me show you how it looks like from the other side. There's two entrances to the master bedroom. We've got a really big bed. There's a guest bed right now for the kids, a sofa, another city view, and two doors. Let's go on the right. This is the walk-in wardrobe. Look at how spacious that is. And now, the toilet. Separated shower and toilet as usual. Big mirror. Two sinks, so two people can use it simultaneously. Got some bathrobes and a tub. Wow, this is... Oh! There's another TV on this side, so there's two TVs here. Here's another shot of the master bedroom. Look at that, guys. This is a nice room to stay in. So that's it for this quick room tour of the King Executive Suite. As you can see, it is massive. The kids were here earlier and they were just running. There's so much space. Thank you once again to Hilton Kota Kinabalu for upgrading us, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye!